The program that I'm giving you a preview of today, we do use a highly interactive session, get people engaged. There's discussion questions, individual exercises, a poll, and a couple group experience as well. So today you'll just get a taste, a little flavor of what this program is all about. So I'm sharing my screen right now, and it starts with, let's start with talking about feedback. So at its best, feedback is a powerful tool, just like a carpenter has tools that they can use, stimulating honest self-reflection, insight, and improvement. But at its worst, it's the reason your colleague wound up crying in the bathroom. So this session is all about giving employees feedback and coaching to improve their performance, and so that it's a good experience for all, and that they learn from it and have that self-development. And we talk a lot about feedback and coaching as one of the most important tools managers and supervisors have to be able to influence the performance and outcome of their employees and their departments. There's a big gap between what supervisors think they're doing and what's actually happening. So we do a little poll to start the session and try to get a sense of, within the group, what are some of the obstacles that people have, why they tend to not give feedback. In this class, we focus mostly on proactive coaching and then talk about a little bit about what happens when it doesn't go well. When we talk about proactive coaching, we're looking at two different elements. So we look at the individual's skills and abilities. How do we assess their motivation, their confidence? How do we see where they're at? And then figure out what leadership style to use. Because not everything works for the same individual in the same way. So for each leader, we have to think about what kind of a leadership style is going to be most effective to proactively coach this individual and help guide them to success.